Hey guys, it's Lucia. I thought since I have a few minutes, there's no one here and I don't have any background noise, that I would come on and do a little swap share. So this is, these are my Twinchies from 70 Acres Studio Art Flock on Facebook. They had a Twinchie, Inchie, you could do circles. I got some triangles. Swap, and you had to do 40 pieces for each partner, and I chose 2 partners, so I had to do 80 pieces. I got a little in over my head, but I completed them and I got them done, which was awesome, and I received some awesome pieces, so I'd like to share with those with you. So these are from Laura McGowan, and these are the pieces that she sent. I'm just going to kind of just scroll through them. And I have these little pockets here for the slides that used to go in the little projectors. I can't even think exactly what they're called. But they fit the Twinchies perfectly, so I just stuck them all right inside there and they fit, and now I'm going to put them in my book. And each one of them holds 20 slides. Let me zoom out so you can see how it is. So it's like this. And each one holds 20, so if you want to put some on the back, you could hold 40, but these are kind of thick, so I just put them in separate ones because I have a whole bunch that I got at the second-hand store for really cheap, and I sent mine out in those also. So this is what they see. What are they? Transparencies, mounted transparencies. So these are the sheets, and I got a lot of them. So that's one page of Laura's. Let me zoom back in. And this is the second page. This one is very textured. I really like that one. And it's made on like corrugated cardboard. And a leaf, and then these are inchies. Okay, so those are my ones from Laura. This next bunch is from Deb Sutcliffe, who was in Laura is from the States, and Deb is from excuse me, Australia. So these are Deb's. Let's start with this page. Excuse me. These are very dimensional. Let me see if I can show you. See how dimensional they are in there? The little gnomes. I love the little gnomes. This is a triangle. And here's the other page, and there's another triangle. It's very pretty. piece. These are very shiny. I think she put a coat of, oh, I can't think of the name of it right now, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you do. Glossy accents, that's what it is. These are inchies, and I didn't have enough space because she sent me an extra one, so I just stuck them together. I love that one. The macaroons. So those are from Deb, and she also sent me a card and some extra goodies with what she used on the Twinchies. So thank you so much, Deb and Laura, for those. And these are just a few of the ones that I made for and sent out. It's not all 40 of them, because really by the time I was getting done, I was just wanted to be done. It was a lot, but these are a few of the ones that I sent out. I tried to make 3 each so I could keep a set, but I got so tired of doing it. This is a circle that I was just like, I was so done. This is a button in the middle of it. And then these are some inchies. That's a Twinchie. And that's all the ones I did. So those were some of the ones that I sent out to my partners. So, yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I got these in here and did a little video because I wanted to share them because they are super awesome. And this is how I'm going to store them. And then I just put them in a binder. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Remember, be well, be crafty, be you. Bye.